Hello, I'm Randy Gardner, proud BGSU alum, wearing the colors, and hired by Governor Mike DeWine to serve as the Chancellor of Higher Education for Ohio. Your graduation is far different from mine when I received my diploma in Doyd L. Perry Stadium in 1981. And as difficult as this is, today remains a cause for celebration. You have earned a degree from one of the best universities in Ohio and one of the highest ranked in America for quality teaching and student engagement. That's special. I really don't have advice for you today, only something to consider. I would ask you to think of your diploma not as something that proves you are successful, but something that provides you the unique opportunity to offer the world a life of service to others, a life of value. To paraphrase Albert Einstein, strive not to be a success, but to be of value. Congratulations on your emerging life of service and value to others, and go Falcons!